Hey guys, got a hot date tonight and freaking out just a little? Don't worry, because I'm here to give you the ultimate guide to flawless, glowing skin that will have your date shook. We're talking chiseled jawlines, radiant skin, and a complexion so smooth, they'll be dying to get closer. Stay tuned because I'm about to spill all the tea on how to get date ready, like right now. First things first, we gotta start with a clean slate, alright? Grab your favorite cleanser and your cleanser, none of that generic drugstore stuff. We want something that understands your skin, something that screams luxury. Lather it up real good, massage it into your skin, feel that dirt and oil just melting away. Nice! Now rinse it off with lukewarm water because nobody wants a dry, tight face. Pat it dry with a soft towel. We don't want to be rough with that handsome face, do we? Now this is where the real magic happens, gentlemen. Exfoliation is key to getting that smooth, radiant skin that'll have them admiring. Grab a gentle scrub, and we don't want to irritate that handsome face. Focus on those areas that tend to get a little rough, you know, the nose, the forehead, the chin, but don't go overboard. Once or twice a week is all you need to banish those dead skin cells and reveal the glowing gentleman underneath. Rinse it off and pat dry. Feeling baby soft already? Yes, sir. Okay, so you've cleansed, you've exfoliated, now it's time to give your skin a tall drink of water. Dehydrated skin is a big no-no, guys. It makes you look dull and tired. And trust me, nobody wants to look tired on a date. So grab your favorite moisturizer, and remember, choose one that's right for your skin type. Slather it on your face and neck, and don't forget your décolletage, buddy. We want that glow from head to toe. Time for your secret weapon! Now, for that extra oomph, that lit-from-within glow that'll have them mesmerized, we're going to use a brightening serum. This is our secret weapon, brothers. Look for one with vitamin C. It's like a shot of espresso for your face. Just a few drops is all you need. Apply it evenly and let it work its magic. You'll be looking sharp in seconds. Next up is to depuff those eyes. Woke up with puffy eyes? Don't stress, buddy, it happens to the best of us. Grab some ice cubes, wrap them in a soft cloth, and gently press them under your eyes. The cold will help reduce the swelling and make you look wide awake and ready to impress. Use SPF because sun damage is not cute. Okay guys, I can't stress this enough. If you're going on a daytime date, sunscreen is a must. And I'm not talking about that greasy white stuff your grandpa used to wear. We want a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Something that'll protect your skin from those harmful UV rays without clogging your pores. Trust me, your skin will thank you later. Alright, now that your skin is looking flawless, let's talk about the rest of your face, gentlemen. If you're rocking a beard or stubble, make sure it's on point, guys. Trim any stray hairs, use a good quality beard oil to keep it soft and conditioned, and don't forget the aftershave. A well-groomed beard can totally elevate your look and make you irresistible. Final touches, and it's time to slay. Alright gentlemen, we are almost there. For that final touch of magic, spritz on a refreshing facial mist. This will lock in all that hydration and give you a dewy, healthy glow. And don't forget your secret weapon, a dazzling smile, because confidence is your best accessory, gentlemen. You're date ready, handsome, and there you have it, brothers. My quick and easy guide to getting date ready skin. With these simple tips, you'll be turning heads and making hearts race in no time. Remember, confidence is key, so own your look and rock that date. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing grooming tips. Now go out there and slay, King.